good craft. The highest paid trade in the world is not as underwater welder. They work probably 3 hours a day and probably make $3,000 a day.
Yes.
Underwater. You can make one flat weld, overhead, vertical, on a boat, anything. The bubble, you've got to watch the bubble. Stay in the bubble. The heat expands. So when it gets to here, it can't go nowhere. So that means 1,000 degrees will be right here in just a matter of minutes. Right on the corner. All right, I'm going to turn and do. Work it.
It's not nothing that I could. I like it.
See this up here? Look at that behind you. Look at that. That's B.
That's B.
Yeah, B. You done B.
It's more powerful.
Look. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool just a second. See that stuff come off? Now that's pretty. You done real good. I think you must have cheated. I think you welded.
No.
Because I've had guys come in here 2 or 3 times and didn't put a bead that good down.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Trust me, because I was
But
like,
that was great. She done real good. That was a pretty bead. It was.